Assalamualaikum and good day all. Today I would like to present about the chapter 6. The chapter is topic second last in our semester for fundamental hatchback or BMMH 2503. So we will talking about split unit and portable unit. So we will learn the other type of hatchback system that we call split unit and portable. Maybe it's not new for you. It's okay. We can go in deep. What the classification first of the conditioning? So the category of the split unit is one part of the other conductable product of hatchback. So one other product that categories under non-conducted product of hatchback. So the split unit and window air conditioning is similar category in non-conducted hatchback system. So that's why we will discuss in this chapter. So other part, ductable system, we will discuss next week maybe or next 2 weeks. So never mind, we can go to first of our slide. So we can see from the slides, I divide by two types of air conditioning. The first one I will discuss about the Windows air conditioning system, and the second we go to split unit of air conditioning system. So the Windows air conditioning system is a window air conditioner, one of the most commonly used and cheapest of air conditioner. So easy to install. One of this unit, you need to space to make a slot at the wall, and there should also be some open space behind the wall. So we need the open space the wall, and then we embedded about a small hole there exactly with the aircon size. So we will put there the aircon system. So we install only maybe in certain room conditionally, and then for other room maybe we should be install the Windows air conditioning system unit. So window air conditioner are reliable and simple to install solution to keep a room cool while avoiding the costly construction of central air system. And better yet, when the summer heat dies down, this unit can be easily removed for storage, and you can use the window still for other purpose. So actually, it's easy to install and easy to remove. So other split air conditioning system. The split air conditioner system comprises of two parts, outdoor unit and indoor unit. So the outdoor unit fit outside the room, also component like the compressor, condenser, and expansion valve. So the indoor unit comprises the evaporator or cooling coil and cooling fan. For this unit, you don't have to make any slot in the wall of the room. So we don't need to do remove the wall, so make the hole in the wall. So we don't need that. We just maybe just need to the tube inside the indoor. So maybe not bigger or hole compared to the Windows air conditioning system. Further, the present day split unit have aesthetic look and add to the beauty of the room. The split air conditioner can be used to cool one or two rooms. So maybe we can install with a higher of horsepower. Maybe we can cover two rooms. Only install one of the split unit. Never mind. Depend on the uh, horsepower we supply. So this one, the structure itself, window and split unit. So as usual, the basic component of the hatchback should be contained by four components at least. Should be involving condenser, compressor, expansion valve, and then evaporator itself to construct one cycle condition of a hatchback system. So this one is maybe we use this type of aircon a long time ago before split uh, remove to this technology. So maybe only certain of countries will still use this aircon system. So similar like the basic of a hatchback, what we need, we embed inside only one hatchback system, only one package inside. So we contain uh, motor power for the pump, and then also attached together with the blower, so we can utilize one motor to uh, move or motion of the blower together with the pump. So maybe uh, in terms of the efficiency, maybe higher compared to split, maybe. And then this one is other construction of the split system. So we should be construct indoor part, and also sorry, this one is indoor part, and then also the outdoor part. So like I mentioned before, what we attach in the outdoor, and then what the in the outdoor. So these are basic of the component of the split. You can see here. This one is for window system. See, so we separate by wall here, and then this part is evaporator to indoor, and then uh, condenser part for outdoor system. You can see only one motor we use for pump itself. Sorry, for blower itself, for fan to the condenser system, and then this one is a compressor. Okay, so this one is different type of split icon system. The split system, the indoor, and then the outdoor system. So we can see what the component separately position uh, in the split unit. Okay, we can see some. We can use this type. So, this maybe the size is bigger. This is also for outside. Okay, now we go to what actually the advantages of the split air conditioning. Why we use the uh, split air conditioning. So the first one, maybe we can observe from versatile. Unlike a window air conditioner, you can install a split system almost anywhere. And split system installation doesn't require large holes in the wall or expensive duct. Plus, the outdoor compressor unit can be located quiet a long way from the unit itself and easy to maintain and keep it clean because we only need a motor blower to operate inside though. So maybe more quiet compared to the Windows system because Windows system maybe we need the higher motor to operate. So we will hear very noisy compared to uh, a split. So maybe we can use split, yeah, if we consider to uh, noisy and versatile because we don't need to make the whole of the wall. We just need uh, some maybe only one hole through the tube within the outside and inside component. And we go to other advantages of split unit, attractive. Modern split system air conditioner are sleek and attractive and are usually located high on wall, blending in nicely with the other contemporary decor. So maybe we look nicely because we install a higher from the floor. So maybe we avoid from the other part or other thing in the room. So we can avoid so unlike view from the decoration. So quiet, as I mentioned before, maybe we use only small motor to operate the blower. So we will hear nicely in the room. And then energy efficient, central of window air conditioner are prone to cool or hot air leaking out of the room because of open door or drafts, while the heating and cooling of split system is renowned for its efficiency and awareness of heat and cool air when using the thermostat properly. So the long-term running cost of split system are also lower than traditional air conditioner. So because of we separate the hot and the cold system, so we avoid uh, uh, leaking of the energy between the hot and the cold temperature. So maybe we will increase the energy efficiency. And then we go to disadvantages of the split air conditioning. About price, no doubt about it, window air conditioner are a lot cheaper than only to buy. Yeah. Split system will normally need to be installed both inside and outside of the house by a professional. Yes, disadvantage is higher compared to the windows. Then about the installation, because installation will normally need to be done by professional. For instance, to satisfy warranty condition, you could face a wait for licensed installer to be available. So I believe this should be installed by professional person because to keep the warranty condition. So that's why we should be pay more compared to the Windows system. Yeah? Location split system may not be appropriate for multi-story apartment because of the two-part system and the fact that the tubing connecting them can only be certain length. So actually, if we need uh, to cool uh, other room or other part, we should be install more the split aircon. So we need to install again the piping or tubing system in the our residence. Noisy, while using is quiet in the inside, the exterior and commercial split system connection can be quite noisy. So from the outside, maybe we will hear the noisy, but in the inside, the split condition is quiet compared to the outside. Yeah. And then the advantages of window air conditioning, we go to Windows system. Windows system. So low cost. One of the biggest advantages of this bulky window air conditioner is the incredibly low cost. The window conditioner are relatively cheaper to buy and also to operate on daily basis. And then easy to install. Yeah, maybe we don't need the professional uh, person to install the windows because the electrical is only like maybe like the normal fan. So just on and off. And then as long we support the Windows air conditioning, uh, we can use these windows easily. Energy efficient, they cost significantly less to operate than alternatives, the split unit and the heavy system. As we know, as mentioned before, we use one motor to operate the fan for condenser and the blower. Sorry, fan for blower for condenser and fan for what we call I mean a blower for evaporate and then a fan for condenser there. And then doesn't take up any floor space, yeah, because we install in the windows in the wall, so we don't need the floor space. So we will free the floor. So from the other furniture is we can uh, use the floor for other furniture. Multifunctional for year-round use. So window air conditioner are just like a mini hatchback system for individual rooms. This means that other than providing cool air during the hot summer day, they also have the capability for providing heat during the fall season. So we can just install one Windows account and then we can use the whole year. So we can use the condenser uh, to winter season. So just switch the Windows condition. Now we can use in the winter. Portable. As we know, the Windows can easily remove from the other room or other position to other uh, location. So the disadvantage of the window air conditioner. So architect appearance is a window are installed, the air conditioner is blocked as long as the unit is there. So we will look nicely from the wall because something there, because we will come out with the aircon system. So the architect appearance will look nicely. Dripping water. So dripping water as outside can end up where you don't want it. Pedestrian on city or street creating a rust on metal roof. So we will drop to the outside, maybe to the road, maybe to other balcony, to your neighbor. A wall hole. So as we know, we will make uh, the hole in the wall after we remove the wall, the aircon system. The structure. Not all windows support air conditioner. Installing can get tricky if you don't have exterior support. So it's not unheard of for window unit to fall out the windows at the inopportune times, even during installation. So be careful in the structure system, because maybe this aircon is very heavy, because the aircon condition involving all component inside. So we should be properly support in the wall. So not all wall can support the ecosystem. About efficiency, the panel that come with this unit can let in a lot of hot air, making the air conditioner less efficient. So because we attach uh, very closely within the hot air and the cold air, so the leaking will be high possibility to happen. So that's why sometimes we can absorb hot air to indoor. About security, even the best installation can still leave your home or apartment at the security risk. So easily to remove from the wall. So should be installed, and then maybe we need to what we call cover the by maybe uh, uh, a grill, maybe we cover to from the stall from somebody. So about the taste, quite frankly, the appearance of many window unit in a living area is not seen as the ultimate in decoration or a class. Maybe we can see about some uh, taste. Maybe we'll have is seen like not nicely, because the wall will come out with the aircon unit. So they look like it's very cheap compared maybe split unit. So it look like the maybe low class, sorry to say, maybe low class residents. So about the taste. So that's all for disadvantages of our window air conditioning system. This one is some maybe model of Windows. No, this one is portable unit types. This one is portable unit type. You can see other type of unit, aircon unit. So they install also the whole component inside one equipment. So one position as draw in air, and one position as cool air exhaust. So maybe we can utilize this part for our room. And the other part is to outdoor. So the basic of cycle of HVAC system are similar to other HVAC system. So we have at least 4 components inside. So we utilize the cool air system, and other we reject to the environment. Okay, we can see what is the advantages and disadvantages of portable air conditioner. So for advantages, the neatest choice for this case is definitely a portable air conditioner. It's made to get a small area. It merely requires it's not going to become in a position to cool down the whole house. But for the small space, it's complete the job. So maybe we don't need to higher energy, and then we don't need to other part to cooling. So just we need only small room, and then we can use this type of ecosystem. This portable icon work just exactly the same because the divided icon that are looking to be connected for the wall structure. So the part outdoor system. So we will need maybe piping or tube system to outside. Consequently, usually are not perfect for cooling, enclosed space, web, and also lightweight air conditioner. Yeah, maybe uh, not perfectly in the ecosystem, but we can reduce at least the temperature. When you go to disadvantages, maybe noisy and has placement restriction. So maybe only we use in a certain size of room only, and with the certain room design, certain structure only, because we need to uh, reject the hot water to outside. But if we don't have the ventilation to reject the hot water, maybe we can use the portable air conditioner, right? So although portable aircon unit can be mounted anywhere, venting is essentially to transport the hot air out. Season learned at times, you could even must have several units for the different bedrooms within your house. That measure between 12 until to 15 inches wide by 90 inch deep by simply 38-inch height in addition to weight 38 pounds. So it means we need space in the floor, uh, same like the furniture, our furniture, because this uh, device is quite big, yeah, in the certain room. So we should be consider uh, like furniture to add in the room. Okay, that's all for portable air conditioner in the advantages and disadvantages. Now we go how to go measure the efficiency of aircon. As we know, sometimes we can use the EER's method to measure the efficiency. We can use this one, EER, when the temperature calculate in the 95 of degree Fahrenheit or around 35 degree in Celsius. So should be temperature written in the inside of the room should be 80 degree of Fahrenheit. And then the relative humidity should be 50%. So how we measure the efficiency in our resident hatchback system. So in hatchback system, maybe we can use this EER to measure the unit efficiency. Another, we can use also SEER, Sectional Energy Efficiency Ratio. EER itself is Energy Efficiency Ratio. So we can use this one. The formula will cover on the inefficiency based on the temperature outside and the energy supply into the HVAC system. Okay, we can use why we use this method for reasons residential condition because of condition outside, air handler inside. So on, you can read yourself here. So I put all in the slide. So for your task, please check the ULearn to consider your attendance. Okay, maybe that's all for this week. So please check your, don't forget, check the ULearn and then submit the task to consider your attendance. Please make sure you submit in the PDF file before upload into the ULearn. Thank you. Assalamualaikum and good day.